What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Zooble from the amazing digital Circus. For today's lesson I'll be drawing with the Sharpie fine point marker. I have a sheet of 11 by 17 white paper and something to color with. I'll leave a full list of all my art supplies with links in the description below. Now I want to begin by drawing the overlapping parts first. So on the left side of our page we draw a circle. Let's start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the top. Let's add a curve across the center, starting from the left, we're going to go up and then down. Now moving to the center, we're going to add a swirl going out towards the right. So going around, it's going to swirl this all the way around towards the center. Now with that circle in place, we're going to layer the head in behind. So on the left side of our circle, let's step out. It's going to angle this up and in behind. Continue this line all the way up and then out towards the top right. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to angle this down. Coming down, in behind that circle. Let's continue along the right side, all the way down. I'm just going to line this up. Let's connect the top and bottom with a straight line, coming all the way down. Let's move over towards the right side and draw a circle for the eye. Starting from the top, coming all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up. Now just like we did on the left, we're going to add another curve. Starting from the left side, we're going to go up and then down. Let's push the pupil over towards the right, starting in the center, because it's around and then out. Let's go to the top left, add a circle for a highlight, and we'll fill the bottom of the eye in black. Now we're going to add 3 lashes across the bottom. We're going to start right in the middle with a short line coming down, move out to the side, angle this out towards the side. Now we're going to go back on top of the left circle. We're going to draw an angled line going up and over, go across and then down. I'm going to add a zigzag going up, down again, and then up towards the tip. From the tip, we're just going to trace this back towards that circle. Down and just following those lines. Let's go on top of the right eye and draw 2 straight lines going up side by side. Angle this up and then out like a Y. Let's flatten off the ends. And we'll pull this back down and then in towards the center. Now I want to separate this into little sections. From these 2 points, go across, go up towards the middle like a triangle. Now over on the left side, we're going to draw 2 straight angle lines. We'll separate the right side with 2 lines, and then the bottom. Now we're going to fill the alternating sections in black, starting from the ends. Just going to fill those in, skip the next one, and then do the same thing on the right. Now we're just going to come down the middle towards the bottom. Now underneath the head over on the right side, let's add 2 curves for the neck. Going out and then down, move over towards the right, draw that again, close off the bottom with a curve. Now we're going to tuck the body in behind the neck. From the bottom left, let's step up. Just going to bend this out and then down towards the side, and then from here we draw another circle going all the way around and then back up towards the top. Let's add a small circle along the top. Now I want to continue this curve inside that small circle, going out and then down, come down towards the bottom, curve the bottom of the body, coming all the way around and pull that up towards the right. Now you want to bend this in, go back out, and just want to curve that back in towards the right side of the neck. Let's add some spots inside the body. Starting from the top, draw a small circle. I'm just going to add some along the side, going a little bit bigger. I'm just going to vary the size of these dots. On the top left side, let's add that wing. We're going to go up, bend this out, round out the end, and then bend that back in. Now I want to add a series of feathers coming back in towards the body. So we're going to go out and pull that back in and go a little bit smaller as you come in towards the body. Now from here, we're going to draw that left arm starting inside that gap. So let's start from the top. Just going to bend this out and down. Continue on the outside, going out and then down towards the wrist. Let's step down, draw the inside of the arm, just follow that same curve coming down. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Let's add a thick cuff around the wrist, like an oval, going all the way around and then back in. Now we're going to tuck the hand in underneath that cuff. Starting from the inside, start with a half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now underneath that thumb, draw the first finger. I'm going to come down and up around that bracket. Now I'm going to add 2 more fingers along the side. Starting from the bottom, come down and up, go to the side, go all the way around and then in underneath the cuff. Now over on the right side, we're going to add that spiral across the arm. Let's start from the side, going out and then down. Now I'm going to step up, go around, just following that curve, swirl around the bottom, and then just tuck that up underneath. Let's move out to the side, add another spiral, coming out and then down. Go back, just trace this around, and then again, tucking that up underneath. Let's finish off that swirl, going out and then down. Step down, draw that again. Close off the bottom with a curve. Now we want to add a circle along the end, starting from the inside, going all the way around, and then back up. And then along the bottom, add the cuff. Let's add 2 curves, down towards the wrist, and then close off the end with another curve. Now we can draw that same cuff going around the wrist, and then we'll add that lobster claw along the end, starting from the inside, going around, and then out, line this up on the right, going in the opposite direction. Let's add those points along the inside, starting from the left, come around and in, draw that again. Let's close out the center with another curve. Now let's move back and draw on the legs. We're going to start on the left side with a wave. We're going to go out, in, out, and then down. Step in, just going to follow that all the way down towards the bottom. Close off the bottom with a curve. Let's add a small oval along the base. And then underneath, we're going to draw a circle. Now underneath that circle, we're going to angle this down and then out towards the bottom of the leg. And we just want to swirl this around, going all the way around, in, and then back out. Let's round out the end. Now I want to trace the leg back along the inside, going up towards the top. Now we're going to go over towards the right side. We're going to curve the leg going out and then down towards the bottom. Step out, draw that again. Down towards the same height, and it'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's add that oval along the ankle. And then from the inside, we're going to curve the heel going in and then down. Let's curve the heel, coming down and up. Add a longer curve coming down and up towards the outside of the foot. Now from the outside, I'm going to curve this up towards the top of the foot and then bend that down. Now from the cuff, angle is down and out. Now I'm going to add a thick sole on the bottom of the foot, starting from the heel. I'm just going to trace this across. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Zooble from the amazing Digital Circus. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want more details on our art supplies, I'll leave a list with links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.